everybody from the Park Central Hotel, our place of residence for the next few days. We're off on another mission today. But before our adventure begins, it's breakfast at the Premier Deli. Fine breakfast to start the day. Alright, if you're staying at the Park Central Hotel, you just kind of exit and go right to your left. 2 blocks away from the hotel is the start of our adventure. That's right, today's adventure, Central Park. We're going to start our exploration today in Columbus Circle. Before we get going, do you know how big Central Park is?
It's pretty big.
It's actually 840 acres, 2.5 miles long, and a ½ mile wide. And if you don't want to walk it, you could bike it. So we did ask ChatGPT for an itinerary for a walk that would start today at 9 o'clock and end at 2, and provide areas for photos and videos. ChatGPT did provide a really awesome itinerary. However, it really had us going all over the place. It did advise us to start at Columbus Circle, then go over to Central Park Zoo, then go to the conservatory, which is all the way uptown, and then go to Tavern on the Green, and then go to Strawberry Fields, and then go to the reservoir. So it's kind of like pinging all over. And while we're going to try to hit some of the agenda, we're going to go our own way here. Look at these blossoms and Instagram pictures. It is supposed to be really bad weather here a little later today, so we'll keep our journey going as quickly as possible. I think there's always something to be said when you come to this park and you have the skyline peeking out all around the edges. If you're traveling along, they have audio guides all around the park. There's birds. Oh, camera shy. If there's rocks, you gotta climb them. Look at me. I'm a rock star. We're gonna rename this channel to A View from the Rocks. Billionaires Row here. Heading under Drip Rock Arch. Stop and smell the flowers. Although it smells like urine here, to be quite honest. It's a bird's nest in the light, and little birds in the nest. Pickleball courts. City Pickle. And for those not in the know, they've built this pickleball court on top of Woman Rink. It's a little too warm for ice skating now. I think in the 90s, this is where Kenny Chesney broke in after touring with Tim McGraw to be able to get on the rink after hours. Although I could be making that entire thing up.
I don't know.
Coming up on this big rock structure, I do believe this is where Little Nicky was filmed when his brothers attack him and Ozzy makes his appearance. Mary's enamored by the trees. We'll continue on. We're gonna head into the Central Park Zoo. This is the dancing goat. We have a little time to waste here. Oh, some seals. Central Park Zoo is 6.5 acres big and known for their red pandas and snow leopards. No clowns allowed. And we've made it in. America. Get a closer look at the sea lions. There it is, sea lions. Oh snap, they knocked their ball out of there. Do not climb and retrieve it. Oh. Hello. It's a nice cafe here. The calm before the storm. Starting the tropic zone. Wow, it is really warm in here and the lens is fogging up on the camera. Oh, birds. We've seen that bird before at Busch Gardens. Wow, look at this guy. Wow. I don't know what's making that noise, but I'm afraid to find out.
In the middle one.
I suddenly feel like I'm at home. Can head up the stairs for a different look. Whoa, look at those birds. They're everywhere. Look at that mongoose.
Oh, there's another one.
Wow.
There's a whole family.
Are they then mongoose?
Mongooses.
These tamarins. Lemurs. Zaboomafoo. I want to see your peacock. The snow monkey is here somewhere. Meet the snow monkey, a very social primate. Does he prefer the gram or TikTok? I'm assuming they may be on top of the rocks or hidden somewhere here.
Yeah.
Red pandas. One of them sleeping back there. And this guy's cleaning himself.
I see.
Snow leopard up there. There he is sleeping. This is what he looks like when he's moving around. And that's what he looks like when he's jumping. By the way, a snow leopard can jump from here to the next sign.
I can do that.
There's a grizzly bear. But does he like cocaine?
Look at the sun. Sorry.
It smells like fresh meat.
There's
another one down there. Now for the back view. Oh, he's turning around. Oh my goodness.
Get that back scratched.
We should go play with him for a little bit. He can't believe it. Magpie. Really pretty. Nice seals. Correction, these are seals. Look at them go. Upside down. Penguins and seabirds.
Come on in, there's a little bit more space if you walk through a little bit and then turn back toward. Here, it's about to start. they'll let the vet techs know, and they'll come in and visit just to check up. Very impressive the size of the fish these little penguins can swallow. They swallow the fish whole and head first. They don't have teeth for chewing, and they swallow it head first.
Of note, there is a children's zoo here as well with other animals. We're going to skip this today. We are racing the impending weather, and we've got a couple more stops to go. Park is really well taken care of. You can see folks working out here, cleaning up. And if you've never been here before, be prepared. There are a lot of inclines. Also, a lot of stairs. Dedicated to the indomitable spirit of the sled dogs.
So many squirrels. Hello? Oh, look at the bird underneath.
But do they feed these horses beeferinos? You can buy some art. Not the brightest day, but it is a gorgeous day for a walk. 61 degrees outside right now. The Guggenheim concerts by the world-renowned Goldman Band were played here on the Mall every summer from 1923 to 1969. This is Bethesda Terrace.
I was like, this is gorgeous.
More stairs. There's just artwork everywhere. Daniel Webster. Coming up to Strawberry Fields. Memorial for John Lennon. Right across the street from the Dakota, where John Lennon was murdered.
These broken wings are not to fly. All night. You won't be waiting for this moment to arrive. l'opportunity of love.
Thank you. Buona. La niña. Grazie. Amore in Italia. La prossima, next year to Kingsmore. Very big job today.
All I have to do is think of her. Something in a star that shines.
And next year, this time they're gonna have 2 kids.
I don't believe now. You know I believe now. I don't know.
As a boy, I was in the city with my parents the night that John Lennon was murdered for the Christmas tree lighting at Rockefeller Center. Another day that I'll never forget.
Little town, it's been a long come out.
Here's a better look at the Dakota,
Okay.
former residence of John Lennon. Mary is a huge Tiny Tim fan.
Yes.
Gotta take pictures of the tulips.
Better picture.
I'm gonna see if we can get lunch at Tavern on the Green. We'll try for a walk up here. That's what the menu is looking like. ChatGPT suggested the hamburger. Yes! They are able to take us. Let's look around. So I think Mary and I are both gonna do $30 hamburgers. Mary's going salmon burger, I'm gonna go tavern burger. And as for drinks, Mary's gonna go yuzu basil smash, and I'm gonna go Staten Island. This is a good cocktail. Mary's salmon burger looks amazing. I'm actually thinking maybe I should have gotten that at this point. Almost looks like a giant salmon cake. And this is my tavern burger. And the fries. That is delicious. Seasoned perfectly, and the cheese is amazing. Well, this was amazing. Can take a quick peek in here, the main dining. Beautiful. Leading outside. More outside seating. How was your Tavern on the Green meal?
Oh, it was amazing.
Hamburger was fantastic. Drinks were amazing also.
Oh my god, the drink was really great.
Alright, Central Park, we're back where we started. We did our 6 hours. Took some of ChatGPT's advice. Ignored some other pieces. We made it back to the hotel just prior to the rain. We're gonna call it quits for now, so thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great day. See you guys.